I'm sure will know the name TSR-2 in a rather different context, but that was how this aircraft was designated when the ferry company first created it. Places in a few of the bubbles that docked thinking in the 1930s. Its cruising speed was just 90 knots, 104 miles an hour. When it was lightly laden, that was cut to 82 knots, or 94 miles an hour, with a torpedo under slack. But nevertheless, this was an aircraft fought heroically, and so did its crews. I said this aircraft is basic. Most crews had no accurate torpedo sight in the Swordfish to calculate the layoff required to successfully aim a torpedo when they were attacking a moving target.
They had a live instructor.
Level with the pilot's eye level. The distance between two of those bulbs represented 5 knots of movement at 1,000 yards. There was no way of assessing the range from the target other than a pilot's experience gained from very effective movements of various tools. The first combat operations by Swordfish were in Norway in April 1940, both landplane and floatplane versions. Back home in that momentous year, 85 years ago, Swordfish kept watch on enemy ports from which an invasion of Britain could be launched. Sometimes they spotted the naval guns. But as time went on, this aircraft's drawbacks they never more apparent. In November 1940, there was an outstanding feat, the attack on the Italian fleet in port at Taranto, and all the Swordfish launched the HMS And perhaps the best known Swordfish exploit was the involvement in the sinking of the German battleship Bismarck in May 1941. Swordfish actually hit it twice. The first occasion was when aircraft flying from HMS Victorious achieved one torpedo strike that slowed the ship down and allowed Ark Royal to get in range.
Initially, remote station.
Then achieved 3 hits at Bismarck, but were very well trained, I said in the review as well, to get the aircraft was slowly forward. Set out to stop the German Navy battle cruisers Kaiserau and Scharnhorst and the heavy cruiser the Prinz Eugen from sailing through the English Channel from their port of Brest in France to the German home ports. All 6 Swordfish were shot down by the very heavy defences. Esmond was posthumously awarded the Victoria Cross for his valour. Boilers were grain vessels with a small flight deck boiled on top, the merchant aircraft carriers. And a wave farewell from the Swordfish as it passes by. In Somerset, wearing D-Day invasion stripes, like the last year of D-Day 80th anniversary, recalling how Swordfish, even as late as 1944, were able still to play a key role, laying smoke screens to protect Channel convoys, flying patrols against German E-boats.